Hi, my name is Chuck and you're just one step away from creating a free account to start earning easy, done for you autopilot commissions. Now this is the first program out there where anyone, including complete beginners, can make their first $100,000 online using an automated, done for you system that does all the work and all the selling for you. And the best part is, I'm not charging you a single cent to use my system. It's completely free to use. Now, how is this all here possible? Well, it's because I do things a bit differently. You see, the online marketing industry is changing. Back in the days, the industry was all about teaching. All these gurus promising to teach you how to build a website, how to build your email list, how to build a six-figure online business. Well, I'm not like those gurus. This is the old way of doing things and it's completely stupid. My way is simple. Everything is done for you. Your website is done for you. Your email list is done for you. Your entire six-figure online business is done for you. Because instead of teaching you how to build your own six-figure online business, I'm literally going to build it for you. This is a new way to make money in 2018. Now, if you're still getting excited about gurus who promise to teach you another secret strategy, you're wasting your time. Why not just have me build your six-figure online business for you? So here's the deal. If you would like me to build your six-figure online business for you for free, simply fill in the form next to this video and confirm your account to get started right away. You see, over the years, I've spent hundreds and thousands of dollars on software, testing, and optimizing my own online business. And I've put together some powerful software to create a system. It's a system that I use right now in 2018 to automate my entire online business. I call it my automated selling system. Essentially, it automates all the complicated things like building an online business. This means you don't have to create any websites, you don't have to learn coding, you don't have to optimize funnels, you don't have to write blog posts, you don't have to do any data analysis or any market research. And most importantly, you don't have to do any selling whatsoever because the system does that for you on complete autopilot. And as a free member of the Earn Easy Commissions program, I'm letting you clone my entire system absolutely for free. This is why I say that this is the first free program where anyone, including complete beginners, can make their first $100,000 online using an automated selling system that does all the work and all the selling for you. This is why my vision for Earn Easy Commission is to have a 100% success rate. That means 100% of my members make at least $100,000 in the next 12 months. This is possible because Earn Easy Commissions is not a guide on how to make money. It's not a tutorial and it's not a course. It's a program where you can leverage off my automated sales system that will literally build your online business for you and make money for you on complete autopilot. So if you want to leverage off my automated selling system 100% for free, simply fill in the form next to this video and confirm your account so I can build you your system straight away. I believe the automated selling system will be the future of online marketing. It just makes sense. This exact system that I'm about to build for you is making me consistent automated income year after year. It's not just a win for gain. This is every single year without fail. This is why so many members love the Earn Easy Commissions program because as a member, you get to clone my entire business. The exact same one that's making me more than $400,000 every single year without fail. I'm doing this so you can literally piggyback off my success in 2018. And I'm not charging you a single cent to use my system. It's completely free to use. So if you're still watching this video, what are you waiting for? Get started right now. Simply fill in the form next to this video and confirm your account. If you're still unsure, create an account anyway. You've never seen anything like this. Create a free account and see for yourself if this is right for you. So fill in the form on the right and confirm your account. Again, my name is Chuck and I'll see you inside the members area.